capital letter in whatever is inside this inverted commas, we have to start it with the capital letter as we are quoting someone. So rule number 2 is as we are quoting someone, we have to use this capital letter. Okay, is it clear to
Okay.
you too?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. And the next thing, when we change it to indirect speech, if we change this in indirect speech, what will happen? We will do that. We will just have to change it. And in case of changing these things, we will write in a way that Suman says that Iron, as it is a name of a person, of course, it will be in a capital letter, as you know, it is a
Yeah.
proper name. So we are writing it in capital letter. Iron is a good boy. You are able to see the sentence?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So what changes we have done? There is no comma. Instead of comma, we use that, and inverted commas are not there. As it is a assertive sentence. Moreover, this is a present tense, simple present tense. So, as it is in present tense, we won't change this says into said. We cannot write it said. Okay.
Mm.
In case of present tense, and in case of future tense, we cannot change this reporting verb. Okay, it will be the same. Fine. So this
Yeah.
is the rules
Mm.
in short. But we have to follow so many rules. One by one,
Mm.
I am going to tell you all those rules. So we have already, I have already told you 4 rules. Those are mentioned over here. Now, I have also mentioned you that if the deporting verb is in present tense or the deporting verb is in future tense, in that case, we will join with that, but we cannot change these reporting verbs. Okay, that much is clear to you?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, very good. Now, if you have any query, you can ask me, of course. If you have any query, please ask me. Do you have any query?
No, no.
No. Okay. Then we will move to the next level. Okay. But as we are changing direct speech to the indirect speech, we have to maintain certain rules and regulations. In case of past tense, we have to make changes a lot. Okay. In case of past tense, we have to make the changes. Okay. Next, rule number 4. What is this rule number 4? Let me first tell you, then I will explain that to you. What is rule number 4? The changes takes place in case of adjectives, adverbs, and pronoun. Whatever sentences or whatever we will say in direct speech, if we have to change it into indirect speech, we have to make certain changes in cases of adjectives, adverbs, and pronouns. Okay? In these certain parts of speech, we have to change. We have to make changes in these cases. Then, what is